you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Monday and I started the day with a FaceTime call with my sisters, which is so nice because I didn't talk to them all weekend, so we just caught up. I also was able to go on a walk by myself this morning. I usually take Jonah with me in the stroller, but I put him down for his morning nap and I just had a little bit of time, so since Omar was home, I just went ahead and stepped out, got some fresh air. It was so nice. I try to get some kind of movement in during the week, whether it be Pilates or just going on walks. To be honest though, I did just recently cancel my Pilates membership, so I'm gonna be looking for something else to do. It was really hard to get into the classes. I love Pilates and I wish that it was just a little bit easier. I had to book my classes a month in advance, which to me is just not realistic. So I think now what I'm gonna do is just basically work out from home. That is, I think, the only thing that I'm gonna be able to stick to. So if you guys have any good YouTube videos for yoga classes or Pilates classes, leave it down below. Also, you guys, which I don't know why I didn't mention this first because it's literally so exciting, is that I woke up to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I am just in absolute shock, honestly, because I never thought I would see that number. I had to actually Google and see when I started my YouTube channel this morning. It's been 10 years since I started my YouTube channel. One of my first videos was on my laptop, the little camera on there. I did a little about me. That was my first video. I've taken that off YouTube years ago, but it was just, that's how I started. I did that video and then I started with hijab tutorials. I even did some videos with my husband before we were even married. We did some nursing school Q&A or advice, which I'm sure some of you guys might have even found me from those videos. So crazy. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you guys who have subscribed over the years and who've just followed my journey all this time. It means a lot that many people hit subscribe. In reality, the thing that actually matters is how many views your channel gets. And I mean, for the amount of subscribers I have, I feel like I have pretty maybe average views, but I really do have the best community. You guys have no idea how much y'all mean to me, how much you guys have supported me and my family throughout all these years, and just how grateful I am. So I am planning on doing some kind of giveaway. I was not really prepared. This 1 million thing just kind of snuck up on me. I wasn't really watching my follower count except for the past couple of days, and I was oh wait, I'm about to hit 1 million. So hopefully, inshallah, the next video I'll have some kind of giveaway planned out for you guys. But just know how much I love and appreciate all of you. Today I have some just admin work to do on my computer, and then for fun I got stuff to make a candle. It's kind of trending on TikTok right now, or at least it's all over my feed. It's people making candles and it just looks so easy and so fun. So I'm gonna try that. Anyways, I'm gonna just finish getting ready, get dressed, and hop on my computer. Since I just got dressed, I'm gonna share my outfit since it's been on repeat recently. This little cardigan is a really good dupe for my Mango Coatigan. It's just a little bit thinner, but honestly the quality is really, really nice, especially for the price. I believe the Mango one is definitely over $100, but this one is less than half that. And I just paired that with an all white base. These pants are Abercrombie and this top is Dish. These are my Uggs that actually Lauren gave me last season. But I've been reaching for them so much just because they're so comfortable. I honestly just threw on the shoes so I could show you, but I'm gonna be taking them off because I'm just literally working from home. And then this hijab is old. I believe it's actually Veiled Collection. Okay, I'm about to sit down and get to work on my computer, but I have a little update. You guys know Omar usually edits my videos, but he's gotten so busy with his construction business that we are gonna have Emily starting to edit. So she's practicing right now. She's editing one of my my mini vlogs, and she's doing so good. I'm so proud of her. It's harder than it looks, right, Emily?
Yeah, it's more complicated.
Yeah, I mean, it's not hard, it's just very tedious. It's you'll literally have I don't know, 2 hours worth of footage that you have to cram down into 30 seconds or something, especially for the mini vlogs. So Emily's doing a really good job and she's caught on pretty fast. Now for the fun part, because I've been looking forward to making this candle for like weeks now, even before Thanksgiving. I've got some soy wax, measuring cup so I can heat it in the microwave, the wicks, and then these are the little stickers to like stick the wicks down. I've had this gold bowl in my collection for a long time and I was like, why don't I just use this? I've always wanted a really big candle. A candle this big, I feel like you can't find one for less than $100. And all the ingredients that I got for this, I think it was less than 50, so definitely saving some money there. And I'm pretty sure I can make more than just this candle. As far as scent, I ordered some like different essential oils. This is just vanilla. It's like very strong vanilla. To me, it smells like a cake. I did hear that you have to use more than you think you need for a candle or else it's not really gonna smell. I actually had ordered a whole pack of essential oils that were different scents, like sandalwood and like woodsy and like earthy, and I love those smells, but they were terrible. They were just bad quality, so I sent those back. So we're just doing plain vanilla. I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll see how this goes. So I just used tape to have the wicks stand up. Like I said, I'm just winging this and I did not look up any like major tutorials. I just kind of saw what they did on TikTok. And now I'm microwaving the wax and we're just hoping for the best. We are going to add in some vanilla essential oils. Dun, da, da, da. This is my candle. I already lit it and I can see the problem here. Everyone's telling me that I put way too many wicks and I put them all in the center, so as soon as you light it, it's just gonna basically create a big crater in the middle. It's not gonna evenly melt, but you know what? For my first time, I'm still proud of it and I think it looks beautiful. It makes me wanna do more and more. Like I need like more bowls so I can create more big candles because they're just so pretty. And I think I can do better next time, and it actually smells really good. I just used vanilla essential oil. And here's how it looks all lit up, which just looks so beautiful. Okay, it's the next day and I'm getting ready to go run some errands, but this is my outfit today. I'm wearing a little bit darker denim than I normally wear, but I kind of love it. These are from Abercrombie, a mango coat. This sweater is Amazon, Polene bag. I've been saying that wrong. I've been saying Polene, but anyways. And then I have on the Adidas Sambas. So that is my outfit. And we are gonna go run to H&M and Sephora, which are really fun errands, but I need to go to H&M because I have a TikTok campaign with them, so I need to grab some stuff from there. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking with that coat because it is 66 degrees and it's not cold enough for that coat. But I just got back from Sephora and I picked up this Ilia mascara. This is the Lift, Lengthen, and Curl one. It's the one that's not the volumizing, which I found this to be the most similar to the L'Oreal Telescopic, which you guys know is my absolute favorite. But I'm trying to like switch out some things in my routine that I know those brands support Israel. And that's basically all I got. So now we're off to H&M. Okay, I just got back from H&M. Our store is actually pretty small compared to the ones in bigger cities, but I found a dress for Elena that will match the outfits that I need to wear in our TikTok. Sparkly knit dress, so we'll see. And then I also got these little ballet flats for her to wear. Knit matching set for JoJo, so we'll see if the brand approves these outfits, and if they don't, then I think it's just gonna be me and Omar in the video. Now I'm gonna head home because I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat, and then I have some editing that I have to do on my computer. It's the next day. Yesterday, Elena actually got sick. I spent the rest of the day just like taking care of her, and I made her a green juice, which she told me was yucky, and today she's just like not eating anything. We made her like Lebanese sandwich, which was like her favorite. She didn't want that. I think I'm gonna make her some hot chocolate. I think she might eat it. Or I mean drink it, and at least I can get like some calories in her. But poor thing, like we kept her home from school today just so that she could like rest on the couch. So that's what she's doing. She's watching her shows, and I'm just gonna whip up some hot chocolate. I just wanna like do something to make her feel a little bit better. I mean, we've given her all the medicine and like all the love and all the cuddles and everything, but she just needs something else. I do 2 cups of almond milk, 5 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. That's all that was left in there. A pinch of salt, so a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. Now we're gonna whisk it all together. It smells so good. Okay, I just got a whole set of these because I've been wanting to get some for guests. So I got 8 of them, and they're so beautiful, and I feel like they're the perfect size for guests as well. I found these vegan marshmallows at my grocery store. Okay, let me try it first. Bismillah. It needs more maple syrup. Okay, I just added like another tablespoon. Okay, much better. So let me go see if she likes this. I really just wanted to eat the marshmallows, and she barely drank it. So I'm gonna go give Omar his and see if he likes it.
Oh, hot chocolate.
It's healthy, so it's got almond milk, maple syrup. I think I made it for you before. I think it turned out good.
That's good.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. Shout out Modine.
Hey guys, before I end this video, I wanted to jump on and just talk to you guys about something really important regarding Gaza. Bisan, one of the reporters on the ground in Gaza, posted a video yesterday that really broke my heart, because she was saying that a lot of the women inside Gaza are having a really hard time getting access to feminine hygiene products. We all know they need food, we all know they need water, they need basic necessities. I feel like one of those basic necessities is feminine hygiene products, and it's always kind of in the back of my mind is, where are they getting access? And it just broke my heart when she was saying women are sometimes too shy to ask for these things, but we as women know how important those things are for our daily lives. I wanted to reach out to charities, and I finally found one that is distributing feminine hygiene products. They are pious projects, and they set up a fundraiser for us to be able to donate and help for this specific cause. They also have a team inside Gaza who are like purchasing these feminine hygiene products within Gaza to distribute into Rafah. I just spoke with them, and they told me that there are products within Gaza to be purchased. So those are the ones they're going to be purchasing in order to distribute them to these women. So I will have that link down below if you guys would like to help support this cause. I just wanted to end this video by just reminding you guys to keep praying for Gaza, because the humanitarian crisis there is just continuing to get worse, especially as we enter the winter months. And my heart is always with the Palestinian people. It's honestly, I feel like I'm just doing things in my daily life to keep me sane. I'm just living with this cloud over my head, knowing that my people are suffering and are being killed. And it's been really hard to just go about as normal. Even if you see content on my channel that looks normal, just know where my heart really is. So I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video, inshallah. Bye.